First, I'd like to verify what your chakra nature is. Looks like I may be able to pass my jutsu onto you after all. The unique jutsu of Kakashi the Copy Ninja.
It's amazing! His chakra is actually visible.
It's a technique of unimaginable power, requiring almost inhuman levels of speed and chakra.
Chidori relies on striking swiftly and using a great amount of chakra. Focusing your chakra into a single point in the accelerated strike creates a unique noise that resembles the sound of 1,000 birds. That's the reason why this technique is called Chidori!